Hey y'all, so today we're going to be going through Z's clothes and organizing them. She is in a new size now. You better not put that in your mouth. Keep it out your mouth. I don't care about you having it, just keep it out your mouth. What I just tell you? Ew, it's dirty. You have all these toys right here, and what do you choose to do? Try to eat on a shoe? Put this in your mouth. Want a carrot? So we're going to be doing that. Bringing her new stuff out, getting rid of the old stuff. I'm going to list some stuff on Poshmark. I'm going to give some stuff away, and then also the stuff that has stains on it, I'm just put in the bin because I'm pretty sure that someone could use it. I hope that you guys enjoy. If you're new, leave a like, please. Also, comments. Leave a comment. It helps us grow. And subscribe. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Excuse my floor. It is very dirty. My girl's down here playing with her toys that she got for Christmas. I guess I'm gonna start with bringing these bags out first. So right here, it looks a mess, but these are clothes that I have listed on Poshmark. So if y'all looking for some gently used baby clothes, cute baby clothes in good condition, definitely check out my Poshmark. I'm just trying to make a couple extra dollars to help me move, of course. That money goes towards us moving out. All right, so this is her Christmas stuff right here that I need to put up as well. Oh, this don't heavy. Here is bag number 1. This bag is from her cousin. I do have some stuff in here from other people though, but this is from her cousin. Let's see what's in here. So this is another bag. That's from her cousin, and probably some other stuff in here from other people. So yeah, we're gonna start by going through both of these bags, taking out what she could wear right now, and then I'm probably gonna bring out the next size as well because that's what I'm gonna put in the second little spot. What do you want to do? Because I'm about to put you out in the living room with your grandma, because you're gonna be in the way. And all you're gonna do is cry. You wanna go back in the living room? Because I wasn't going to get this done today with no problems. Let's start with this one. So this is from my grandma. I got a mixture of stuff in here. Like some of this stuff is summer clothes. Summer, spring clothes. So we got that in here. Let's see, what size are these? These are so cute. Like, look at these little sandals from Old Navy. They're so cute. I don't know what size they are. It says 6 to 12 months. Yeah, she'll be able to wear these springtime, I feel like. Her cousin gave her so much stuff. So much stuff. And this is not even it. She has more stuff at her grandma's house that I have to get. And she could wear this right now. This is cute. This would be cute with some Timbs. We need to get you some sneakers. See, the only way to keep her quiet, give her a snack. She got a snack right now. She good to go. Say what? Yeah. Girl, you know what's up. What is the problem? Why are we doing that? What? What is it? This is so cute. It's so cute. Look. Girl, you know what's up. Me and my people be rolling. Scheming on you and your home. First day of summer, all blown down in the Hummer thing. Hit the park and parlay. Hope that you walk this way. You and your girls on the ride. Play all day, walk on the line. Say what, say what, say what. bit of what I'm gonna give away. This is for a family friend, and this stuff is the next size that she'll be in. And this is all new with tags. This is stuff from Christmas and some stuff that her cousin gave her. And then this is also the same size as this, but this is like used stuff. So we're gonna put this in the bin. Over here is the stuff that she can currently fit. This is all used stuff right here. And then her new stuff that she got for Christmas, and also still got some tags on it from her cousin. She still has these ones over here. These are new as well that she can currently fit. So I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do this. She's been more fussy. I'm just tired. I'm tired. And I was really just gonna take her out in the living room to be with my grandma for a little bit longer. But her grandma called and came to get her for a little bit. So I'm able to get this done and not have to deal with any fussing or having to stop what I'm doing to tend to her.
You know what I need. Ooh, say what, say what, say what. You know that about it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. I'm digging you. I'm feeling you. You know what's up. I know what's up. Said I'm big on you, and I'm wanting you. Tell me what's up. Tell me what's up. People find that I'm zoning right around 2 in the morning. Looking fly with the sun just on. You got the phone coming on. Girl, you got me wide open. Waiting all day and I'm hoping. So baby, don't front. Backseat cheap, you know what I want. Say what, you know that I like it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need. Ooh, say what, say what, say what. You know that about it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. Oh, I'm digging you. I'm digging you. Yeah, you know what's up. What's up? Say I'm big on you, and I'm wanting you. So tell me what's up. I'm digging you. I'm feeling you. You know what's up. Say I'm big on you, and I'm wanting you.
Now I'm about to hang this stuff up, so I have to move this over here. All right, I hope that everything fits, because this is a lot of stuff. So this is stuff that she can now wear, or some might still be too big, but she can at least wear the onesies right now. And y'all see I kind of color coded it up. I'm extra like that. And this is what it's looking like now. All of these clothes right here, I'm gonna wash, and then they'll be ready for her to wear. These clothes right here will go in the bins. I gotta clean these out and see what I'm gonna sell on Poshmark. But I can't do the pants yet because she can still fit the pants. But these onesies are getting pretty tight, so I'm gonna go through the onesies, see what I'm gonna sell, and see what I'm gonna give away. I'm tired. This is a lot. I'm about to list a few things on Poshmark. So this is how I do it for like single items. I'll put it on a hanger and then hang it up here. And then I'll just take a few pictures and list it. This was only worn once and it's so cute. cute.
I'ma be like a Jolly Rancher that you get from the corner store. I'ma be like a waffle cone, just whip it down to the floor.
I had my first sale in a good while. I had neglected my Poshmark all December when I was doing Vlogmas. So now that Vlogmas is over, I have more time to, like, you know, focus on other things as well as my YouTube. So I'm back posting on Poshmark. This is another source of income. I can't wait to have my business back up and running in the future, but it just has to be right. Everything has to be right. So now is not the time for that. I've been getting a lot of likes on stuff, but we need to turn those into sales. So everything is priced to move, and if anybody makes an offer, I'll most likely accept it. I'm literally just trying to make a few extra dollars and get this stuff out of here.
You do it for me, I can't lie. I'll be in the all night. Whatever I get, you put it in all. You me to leave them on the good out. Baby, I want to be with me. Or sugar, get on the song, she say lie. Sugar mama, I'm your sugar mama. Baby, I want to be with me. Or sugar, get on the song, she say lie. Sugar mama, I'm your sugar mama.
My back is killing me, but I'm about to go ahead and end this video right here. I'm about to fold these clothes up real quick. This is what I'm gonna be giving away to a family friend. About time for me to go pick my baby up. So I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. If you're looking for some clothes, or you know anybody that's looking for some baby clothes, very affordable, gently used. Some stuff is new. The other stuff I have listed, still in great condition, gently used, and a good price. Definitely check out my Poshmark. And yeah, bye.